Cultivate the holistic view that expert wealth managers attain. Get in-depth information about the most efficient products to replicate the global market portfolio with our ETF Tracker. Expand the Power BI dashboard by clicking on the bottom right icon. Let's look at the Equity ETF dashboard. On the selection pane on the right, customize the view of the global equity market according to your preference, whether it be by sector, region, or factor. We encourage you to review the composition of the benchmark before any investment decisions. Deviating significantly from the global equity portfolio may introduce excessive idiosyncratic risk to your portfolio. The ETF is hyperlinked to the provider's webpage. Information displayed encompasses the investment manager, ticker, exchange, assets under management, trading currency, ETF benchmark, 3-year daily volatility, and expense ratio. A description of the ETF's objectives and characteristics is presented, followed by its performance. The equity style box and sector exposure are featured in the central section of the dashboard. To the right, you will find a range of valuation metrics. Specify the valuation period. On the bottom right, the region exposure is shown. Now let's move to the bond ETF dashboard. You have the option to filter based on benchmark, global, sovereign, and corporate categories. It's crucial to recognize that the fixed income market exhibits greater segmentation compared to the equity market. Therefore, replicating the benchmark through a combination of subsectors is inherently more intricate in the fixed income realm. Additionally, due to the limited availability of instruments listed in the US, we had to broaden our scope to include non-US listed ETFs. Bearing this in mind, the selected ETF aims to comprehensively encompass as much of the fixed income universe as possible. Rating, maturity, and region exposure are shown for US listed ETF, whilst average bond price is shown for non-US ETF. Use it, share it, and don't forget to leave your comments below.
The Average Investor, Your Finances Simplified.